Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today really quickly to share some happy mail I've received. And so let's just get into it. It's from California, but I'm not sure where it's from. So, thank you. Okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna open it and take the stuff out or maybe not take it out, but just open it. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it open. And I'm still trying to think who it's from. Patterson. I know I have a special crafty friend from Patterson who's very talented. I'm assuming that's her. But we're going to find out. OMG! Look at this bag! Oh, it's so cute! Oh, I love it! I love it. Oh my gosh, I wonder what this is for. Oh, this is a cute bag. Oh my gosh, look. So cute. Look at all of this goodness. Oh my gosh. Here's a tag. Still doesn't tell me. I'm going to tell you, I think this is from Lou David. She's the only crafty friend I have in Patterson. So, if it's not you, Lou, I don't know who, but thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, let's get the ribbon off. Oh, look at all this funness. Oh, is this all from Daiso? Cause we don't have a Daiso here in Phoenix. Oh, look at how cute Minnie is. Oh. Pop-up memo, it says. Aw. Okay, let's see. This says thank you. I don't know why. Okay, look. Oh, this is a cute bag too. I wish we had a Daiso. They have a bunch of cute stuff. So cute. Look at the lace on the packaging. I'm gonna have to reuse this. And it says thank you. How cute is this frog? It's a tag. See, handmade by Lou David. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Lou, for thinking of me. Aw, thank you. Okay, I gotta put on my glasses. Oh, be happy, pop open here. Oh, I don't. Really? Do I want to do it? Okay, let's do it. Be happy. Pop open here. Delight in the little things, such as Happy Mail. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I love Happy Mail. Oh, look at how cute these Mickey acetate bags are. Oh, thank you so much. So cute. You see the Mickey heads over there? So cute. Oh, my thing's having there, it's focusing. Oh, and she made some 3x3 cards for me. Oh, snap. Shake it off. Whatever. Oh, so cute. Oh, let's see what this is. Oh, these are some more 3x3 cards. Yes, she's hooking me up with some mini stuff. Look how cute. These are envelopes with cards, I believe. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, here's a card. Oh, look at this pretty Mother's Day card. Ah! Oh, I love it all, Lou. I love it. I'm so excited to be able to go to Disney pretty soon. They are I think at another level, tier level, so orange maybe, I think is the one they had to go into, was the next phase. I don't know, but I'm so excited. And I hear at Disney World, they're not requiring masks anymore. Look at that. How's the progress in our nation? Oh, look at this. So cute. Handmade by Lou. Oh, she just wanted to thank me. This is like a blessing, girl. More than a thank you. I appreciate it, Lou. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Thank you for all your creativity. And you always, though you don't do videos, I see everyone else who receives your projects, and they are so amazing. You can get lots of inspiration from Lou by watching other people's videos that showcase her entries or happy mails she's sent to other YouTubers here. I think she has an Instagram, but she does have a YouTube. I just don't think she posts videos. She should. Anyway, hope you guys are having a crafty day. Thank you so much, Lou. Thank you, thank you. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you consider liking and subscribing this video. If you're returning, welcome back. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!